The hotel, a swimming pool. Have or has? Has. 1 rule, 3 rounds. Can you get them all? Let's find out. The rule. A quick screenshot. This is all you need. Round 1. At the hotel. A reservation. Have. Say it with me. I have a reservation. Number 2. The hotel, a swimming pool. Has. Let's say it. The hotel has a swimming pool. We, a room. Have. We have a room. She, a key. She has a key. They, 2 rooms. They have 2 rooms. Round 1, done. Keep going. Round 2, have or has at the airport. Same rule, only 2 choices. He, a boarding pass. He has a boarding pass. I, a suitcase. Have. I have a suitcase. Most people get this one wrong. The airport, free Wi-Fi. Has. The airport has free Wi-Fi. We, enough time. Have. We have enough time. She, a window seat. Has. She has a window seat. Well done. 10 done already. Now it changes a little bit. Round 3. Don't or doesn't. New round, new choice. Just 2 options. Don't or doesn't. The word have stays. Just choose don't or doesn't. I have any cash. Don't. I don't have any cash. He have a ticket. Doesn't. He doesn't have a ticket. They have luggage. Don't. They don't have any luggage. She have a passport. Doesn't. She doesn't have a passport. We have a reservation. Don't. We don't have a reservation. Well done, 15 done. The next one is a bonus. Here we are, boss level bonus. This one catches everyone. Don't rush this. Everyone on the plane, a seatbelt. Have or has? Has. Everyone on the plane has a seatbelt. Everyone equals he, she, it equals has. It sounds wrong, but it's right. Everyone, somebody, nobody, everybody. It's always has. Say it with me. Everyone on the plane has a seatbelt. Alright, little trap warning. I hear this all the time. She doesn't has a passport. Wrong. She doesn't have a passport. After doesn't, it's always have. Always. Say it with me. She doesn't have a passport. One table, the whole system. So, what was your score? How many did you get right? If you got 14 to 16, excellent, you're travel ready. If you got 10 to 13, you're doing good, but watch this video again. If you got under 10, well, that's why this channel exists. Keep practicing. Drop your score below and write one sentence using today's grammar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real travel English. See you in the next video.